Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can freeze frame the video using CapCut for PC. So for example, you can import your video you like to edit, and I'm going to select my video, and yeah, um, this picture can use for the video only, not for image. So you can see the freeze frame where you click on the clip and here's freeze frame. How to use it? Just select the frame you like to freeze on the clip. Control, select this part and so click on freeze button here. You can see, yeah, you can make it shorter, right? And select another frame, click on the clip and click freeze button, and just for iteration. So again, this is the final result. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much.